What's good, guys? It's Cashflow Nexus back with another video. And everybody's been talking about Bitcoin lately, but it's time we look at XRP Ripple. What is going on with XRP? Now, I like Ripple as an investment long term. I like what they stand for, what they're trying to accomplish, and I do see a lot of potential in the XRP. It's just it hasn't been moving as strong as Bitcoin has lately, but we are starting to see some movement to the upside. And I want to actually look at the daily time frame, but we're making our way to the upside. There's not too much going on with XRP, honestly. It's just in a range, like, let's see. It's actually breaking out its range. If we could get a break at this level right here, which looks like it's going to happen regardless of what I say. But if we could break this level right here, because it's fractal level, we could see movement to the upside back into the 40 cent region up here. I'd see it playing out. Let's see. Let's grab this. See it coming up to the 38-cent zone. And if we could get past this 38 cent zone, we could break up even higher. How likely is it? I don't know. Right now, it's hard to say. It's one of those things that take what you get. We had some rejection down here. You see it wick out down here in this region. Price doesn't want to go any lower than 28 cents. It seems. We also have the candle also saying we want to push even higher. So around this zone, if we could get a break at our current level right now, and then we could get a break to this zone here, we could be off to the upside even higher. But right now, it's not looking for there's no big moves right now in XRP. But it still is a long-term investment, so I would definitely put money into it. Right now, it would probably be a good time to, just because it's so cheap right now. And if you could ride, we could get this break here, we could move up even higher to the upside. So that's what I'm liking, and that's what I'm seeing right now with XRP. Let's take a deeper look on the lower time frame. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. So yeah, it looks like we are going to get break this zone. Just looking at this 4-hour time frame, we got our Kumo twist. We've broken our first fractal zone right here. We bounced off Tinkinson pretty nicely. Let's see, we got a bullish TK crush, so we are very bullish right now. How far I see it going? Well, we have to break this zone first. If we could get a break here and a break at this cloud level, we could definitely see another 40 cent XRP if we could get a break at this cloud level here. So that's what I'm looking at it doing right now. There's not a lot of big movements. If you're gonna get in now, I would wait till this fractal is broken and then enter. Take it to here or here. But we are showing signs of bullish momentum. Right now, it's just a waiting game. Wait for a breakout. It's not too much to say about XRP right now. If I was to get in this trade, it would be at a break at the 33 cents, 670 level. But right now, it's not like a huge trade that I would take, but it's a more promising asset to hold long term, invest long term. So if you are gonna hold and invest, yes, I would like to. I'm not giving you advice, but personally, what I would do, I would invest in it. That's just me. But that's just long term. Now, if you're trading this, I wouldn't trade it. I wouldn't trade it just yet. I would just trade Because right, yeah, you could trade it now, but you wouldn't make significant gains because trading and holding an asset are two different things. People get that confused. I trade, you know, cryptos. I don't hold cryptos. So me as a trader, I wouldn't trade XRP, but I would definitely hold it as a long-term asset. That's just my opinion and my bias towards that. But I do see it, long-term making substantial amounts of money in the future. Now, here, like I said, if we could get a break here, we could definitely, move up a little higher. We are getting that twist uh, right here. You know, this is a zone that I would focus on next to where it's going to come. And if we could hold here, break here, range them here a little bit, and then move up to the upside, that'll be, healthy signs for, a strong bull market in the future. Now, the time frame that I do want to pay attention to is the weekly time frame because the thicker the cloud, the stronger the you know momentum of a bullish or bearish rally. This is a huge bear cloud, but this, we are starting to thin out and we are starting to get more. This is starting to move closer to one another. So if we could get this closer to one another, we could definitely see, in the future, get if we could get a twist here, we could probably, break through this and go even higher. Now, where I would enter on this, let's see, where is it? Let's zoom in. Now, what I would like to see, you know, for a huge trade-off, and let's let's delete that and let's put it like right here. Now, if we are going to make a huge trade off of this, I would like to see this play out before I even make a move. So this would be my entry if we had a close and breakout at this level, the 39-cent level, for a long term, to the upside. If we could get this twist going on here, this would be my entry for the long term. Hoping it ranges a little bit more, and then, because the more we range, the more chance we have of moving to even higher. So I would like to see this zone broken, and we could possibly move up higher to here, and possibly to this level too, this cloud level, which will be, 44 cents. So if we could get here and break, we could probably retest this area. And if we could get a break at this area, because this flat zone here is a strong resistance right now at the 42-cent level. If we could get a break at this zone here, move up higher, we could get a test at 45 cents, and then if we could get a break at this level at the 50-cent level, we're off. So right now, let's go ahead and put this down. This is what I want to see for a long-term trade. If I'm going to trade this, I'm going to trade it off the weekly time frame, and enter here. If we could get a hold and break here, and a break at this level, it's off. It's going to go up. Like, and after that, I'm not really gonna play the devil's advocate of where I would like it to go, but I would like to see another test at the $1 level, right in here. Well, not exactly $1, but it's 96 cents. I would like to see it test this area. If we do get this break and start moving higher, we will see this. It's just all a matter of time, before that happens. But that's what my thoughts are on XRP for now. I am monitoring it. I don't trade it as much because it hasn't been making significant moves. Now, if you want to make the big move, like some quick moves, I would trade it on the hourly time frame. Maybe even the 3-hour time frame. But those are the time frames that I would choose to make my move, you know, in the long term of, trading this. Holding it, just put money and hold it. But trading it, I prefer to trade the lower time frames for XRP just to get those quick in and out gains. And looking at this on the 3 hour time frame, we do have a strong, it looks like momentum starting to get stronger. So we might have a little tiny pullback to this level, or we might get this might curl over and cross and it's turned bearish, and it might come back down, test this level, and then move up higher. So it's just a waiting game right now. Nothing too big, nothing too really worry about right now. I think it's gonna be a bullish week for XRP in my opinion overall. Just because of what I'm seeing, we could get a potential pullback, then move up higher if we don't break this zone. If we get a clean break at this zone, yeah, I definitely like to see it move and touch 39 cents and so on. But right now, I'm bullish. Right now, my opinion is bullish. It's just interesting to see how things are playing out right now. Uh, we just got to break this Kijinsen zone and move up higher, because we could very well come up here, get a bounce, then move to the downside, because we are having bearish momentum on the daily time frame. But right now, as I see it, if we could get a close on this daily candle, we could definitely move up higher to the upside. So it looks like the daily candle is going to close above Tinkinson, which is a good sign for bullish momentum. So always the higher time frames are always more probable. Uh, uh, they're more reliable than the smaller time frames. So yeah, waiting for this candle to close, and then I'll make my entry and make my moves from there. But right now I'm bullish up until this point, and if we could break here, and it could show me that we could move higher, then. But right now I'm bullish for this week coming up, and I'm very excited for not just the crypto space, but or in XRP. I'm excited for what's happening in the world. You just gotta recognize the trend and hop on it before it happens, and make that opportunity before you lose it. But other than that, that's my opinion. That's what I'm looking at. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe your thoughts. I'm always willing to hear you guys out and hear y'all's thoughts on crypto, forex, whatever, and tell me what y'all think. So God bless you guys. Stay tuned for more. I'm dropping more videos today, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe. Peace.